Alright, what up, you guys? So, I'm back. We've gotten married, which I have a ton of videos to show you guys on that. You know, obviously I finished the wedding sign. Actually, let me back up. What up, guys? Welcome back. This is literally just going to be like a chit and chat. I got some new stuff that I'm working on. And just wanted to come up here and talk story with y'all and just let y'all know some new stuff. Yes. Okay. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna continue talking. I'm working on a leather earring line. You guys know I have a cricut, and been trying to figure out new ways to use it or whatnot. So been trying to cut out shapes with it. As you guys can see, I haven't quite figured out the settings on it. But once I do, then I will actually do a video on this. But because I haven't figured out the perfect settings, I'm having to cut a part where it didn't cut. Anyways, so I have that video that I want to do for you guys. And then, because I'm working on trying to start an earring line, or more like an accessories line. So, yeah, that's going to be dope, y'all. I can't wait. Anyways, working on an accessory line, working on, for earrings. I don't know if I'm going to do bracelets yet. What else am I working on? Obviously, still doing the graphics. Working on a clutch video, a no-sew DIY clutch video that I started, and then I stopped. So it's definitely gonna have to be a video that I edit. But I did that with faux leather, for gifts for my bridesmaids. So I want to get that also up on the channel. Haven't finished that video yet. Y'all, it's been crazy. Just now starting to get back in the groove of things. Been doing some t-shirts. I could do a t-shirt video, but I mean, there's so many t-shirt videos out there. Is it really worth doing a t-shirt video? I don't know. You guys comment down below if you want a t-shirt video. There's a ton. I mean, I've even been looking at the t-shirt videos. So, I'm not by no means 100% on the t-shirt game. I actually would probably just, instead of doing it on the Cricut and then me doing all the work, there's websites out there like Printful where this would be another shape. They will print for you. So it's kind of like, why do I take the time to do that myself? Anyways, cut out the middleman, I guess, right? But so we could shout out to Shorty for getting me a heat press as a wedding gift. Shout out to you, girl. And I can't forget, shout out Hope, my cousin. She helped me do some of my paper flowers, which, okay. Next video that I do, I'm going to show you guys, I'm not going to show you guys how to do paper flowers. You can YouTube any of those videos. I'm not going to do that. But I will definitely show you the end result of the paper flowers. And I'll show you the templates that I used and all that. So I at least wanted to get one of these earrings going for you guys. Sorry. I plan to have a big cartel shop for these. So I have a ton more. Oh, speaking of, actually, I think I'm going to start an Amazon store for certain things because I got all these scraps of leather from Amazon. Like 18 bucks. this color, black, this, 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 and white. All of this. And you know, some people might feel some type of way that it's not you know, it's not vegan or whatever. Sorry, I'm just not that kind of girl, so sorry. Anyways, okay, I am rambling, so I need to get going. Let's get this cut out. Get this cut out for you guys. If you hear the TV, sorry, that is my husband watching his anime. Oh, alrighty guys, I think we got this one on deck. All right, so cut out these two shapes, right? I'm a big earrings kind of girl, so I love big earrings. And then you can take the insides, and that can also be a whole nother earring. So I have a few tools. This is a hole puncher for leather. So it has different sizes to create the hole. Shout out to my homegirl Emma. Emma for showing me this. And then I have a ton of different jewelry things in here. And I have some pliers, jewelry thingies. I'm so bad, y'all, because I do not call stuff what it's supposed to be. Some beads. Got a lot of these beads off Etsy. Alright, so first things first, we kind of want to decide what kind of earring we want to make. So I'm thinking definitely we're gonna punch a hole right here, and we're gonna use some jump rings to attach. Gonna use our hooks, and I have these amazing, where are they? Amazing triangles that I'm gonna put, gold triangles that I'm gonna put in the center of. Yeah, in the center of the triangle. I know I have like this vision going on right now for this. So, all right, first things first. Let's get our hole punched out. We don't need a big hole. Get our hole punched out. And you don't want it like way high up on it. It's super easy to do. You don't want it super high up because you want to make sure that it's going to last. So this is one hole down. And then there's basically like you put the leather in here and try to get it close but not too close, because remember, like I said, you want it to last. And push down and pull off, and you got your holes. Okay, so then we're gonna take, thought I was about to fall, one of these, which I have some wire that I could do. So basically, in a sense, we're gonna put this triangle in here. Just has like a little candy in it. Did I lose that? Of course I lost it. Well, anyways, but okay. So let's start with our jump rings first. I have a big size jump ring, and I should have two of these, but I'm a little ghetto. I don't have two of these. I have this size and then a regular. You know, put it through the hole, and you might as well, you can actually reposition and put your triangle through. So as you can see, and I think I might do another jump ring and put another one down. And then you can actually go ahead and put your hook up here as well. And then close, twist, close. And if you are a simple person, voila, you have one earring down. Now me, I'm a little ghetto. I like a little, or not ghetto, but just like, I like a little bit more of a bohemian vibe. So, I think I'm gonna do a couple of these triangles. I don't have a lot of them. Got them off Etsy. Do I know the shop? No, I don't know the shop. I will try and comment down below what the shop name is. No, I think I got them off Amazon actually. And I think I'm gonna start an Amazon little store for you guys so you can see some of this stuff. Okay, all right. Bam. You could stop there, or, which I think I'm gonna stop there because I actually really like that. And yeah, so look how simple this was. I love it. Just love it. Comment below how much you think these should cost, because this is like real leather. Love it. So the other idea I was thinking is that I could put one of these up there, but maybe that might be too much. Maybe I'll do that for this pair. You know, I think this color combination could be really nice. Or even this right here. Just a thought. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I plan to create a lot of different types of earrings. Just, you know, just really just trying to branch out the game, my game for creative stuff, like working with my hands. But alright guys, this video is long enough, and y'all know I'm not gonna edit. I don't know, I have not gotten the swing of YouTube stuff yet as far as editing. Probably because I'm too busy trying to create so much stuff here that yeah, I'm not wanting to edit any of my videos. So sorry guys, but I'll get there eventually. I'll have like, I feel like I'm not like fully a YouTuber at this point in time. But anyways, all right, so just gonna finish this one up guys, and I will catch y'all in the next one. All right, this is mahalo. Thank you for talking story with me. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get better at this. Y'all know I'm not really here to like try to make no money or nothing like that. I'm just trying to document life, you know. I'm gonna try to start doing more vlogs while we're hiking, while we're eating out, like more of what Hawaii life is about. I want to finish the wedding playlist that I was starting on, gift ideas, Christmas. So just stay tuned, y'all. All right, deuces, y'all. Bye.